The Office of District Sports Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, today organized a workshop cum awareness program on Yes Meghalya scheme. The DSO Krubok Pasar informed that from West Jaintia Hills, there are only 70 plus applicants who have applied for the scheme till date. On this backdrop, the Sports Office held this awareness to all the registered sports and youth club sports association within the district to inform them in relation with the Yes Meghalya grant in AIDS. The DSO urged upon association, clubs and organization to take up these benefits given by the government.
Appeal. One problem ye ku office ye chamanga him gani ku bu klipi he will give you apply. Nimpa to man go man very easy ba apply. The karpa ay gi pajba yung district wa chang ba bichun ko bu wo apply ye gani Yes Meghalya scheme.